Yeah, I'm down in the storage place again. Just trying to change some light bulb, but something have gone on the lamp, so I have to check up more. But then I remember I had to take with me new gasoline filter for this old Carina, and then I also remember I have ordered new buttons. Let's see. But the Mercedes S-Class have very sticky buttons. But I have seen after I ordered these buttons. Yeah, on mine is also some other things on the buttons. But I see someone having some cleaning things. Also see that I got the wrong color. Okay, but it's not the biggest problem, because I have found some video where they try to clean this. So I'm thinking to try to do that. Let's see here now. Since this car was starting up so easy, everything felt very good. And as you were seeing, the filter was very, very bad. But this filter seems to be exactly right. So I'm just going to change it out. And also see if I get these hangers to go in better. Yeah, I had put in a new filter, but my old piping here is so hard to get on. So I have to see if I buy some new pipes, rubber pipes that is not so hard and stiff like this one. I need to weld something on the fender. I'm not sure how it's supposed to be here, so maybe I need to make a paper tray testing from the other side, because it's some welding here and some welding on this side. Other than that, I think it's okay, actually. So it's not that big of a thing. Inside supposed to be very nice. I think I have all the parts. Hope so. Also some new parts. So just have to see. It was starting up properly as it should. See here. All the wheels. What is this? Oil pan for some car, but is this for this car or is it for the Corolla GSI? I think it could be for GSI. I have to find out which wheel is locked up completely on this Lexus. One of them is completely locked up. My friend's Jaguar. Here we have to find out more about this 3-liter Camry. This Lexus also have gone very, very, very long, LS 400, but it's start up very easy. The Corolla GSI, and the plan was to take out the CLK Mercedes and drive it to a test station and get it checked over. It's a very, very nice car. Needs some air in the wheels, of course. Also here started to mold up. So that started to be a problem again. You have to maybe put on something to kill off more of that. Yeah. But now at least I see the filter was right for the car. So I just have to go on and do more things. So please come back, please follow the channel, and yeah, hope to be back with more information soon. I've been a little stressed lately again. Thank you.